Today I wanted to talk to you about Beebeecraft. I did a very small haul at Beebeecraft. I wanted you to see some of the things that are available, and I wanted you to see the quality of these things, and I really am quite impressed with them. I really like what I got. I haven't looked inside a lot of these things, but just the glance that I've had, I really think it looks nice. Not to mention the fact that I have in the past ordered little boxes like these from Beebeecraft, actually from Amazon, and it came through Beebeecraft. And I also got a metal mix of white hole beads of metals, and I used the heck out of them. So I really like these things. So when they asked me if I would do a video, I thought sure, because the things that I have experienced on my own have been pretty nice. So what I will do is I will post some links to these particular things that I got today, these particular products. So if you like them, you can check them out, or you can just check the site out itself and see if you can find something you like. What I like mainly, well, not mainly, but what I really like about it is the way things come packaged. They're so nice. I mean, this is already organized and perfect to just put away, just like these things that I got in the past. I have this and my metal beads and things like that, and these cute little boxes, and I just stack them on top of some of my bigger storage boxes, and they're ready to go. I really like that. So first, let's look at this little box here I have of assorted frosted beads. I really like the frosted beads lately. For some reason, they just really appeal to me. So I thought I would get some and maybe make a couple multi-strand bracelets or something really cute out of them, because they have kind of that whimsical, youthful type look. So I thought that they would make really cute little girls bracelets, or even for adults, it doesn't matter. But I just really like them. So these are 10 different colors, and there's over 1,000 pieces in this box. They're 4mm round, and they come in really pretty colors. I'll show you. This is kind of a teal color. See if I can get really close so you can see how pretty they are. And they have a nice hold. It's not huge, but it's not really small either. So if you wanted to use it with head pins or things like that, you could do that. I really like these black ones. I think these black ones look like charcoal or something. They're just really cool. I think all of the colors are really pretty. This one's a little bright, but all of them are really pretty. And since I live in Colorado, this is like a Bronco orange, so, you know, that would work with blue and people would like it. So orange and blue in Colorado work really nicely. So anyway, there's a clear frosted and this teal color, yellow, pink, blue, red. I mean, just really nice, and they would all look nice together. This purple and blue looks nice just next to each other. So anyway, I really like this, and I will be making a tutorial with these because I like them. They're cool. And I will put the item number in the description box below, and hopefully a link. I'll be able to go on the site and find a link for you. So those are from Beebeecraft. Jewelry beads, 10 colors. And then I have some iron spacer beads. This came as one package. It was in a bag altogether. So you get 5 different types in one purchase. And I really like this. Again, I love the way it's packaged. I don't have to worry about trying to find a place to store it. It's already nicely put together for me. So I can just set them in one of my organizers together like this, or on top of, I have a lot of containers, like toolbox type things in my bead room, and I can just set them on the top of that, and there they are, ready to go. I can find them, they're organized, they're not mixed up, really nice. I like that. So this comes in 5 different colors. This is like a hematite color. I'll pour some out so you can see them in my hand, so you can see what they look like. Maybe. Oh, yeah, that's really tightly closed. Okay. And I apologize, I injured my hand, so yes, I do have a Band-Aid on. It's prettier than a wounded hand, I think. So anyway, this is what this looks like. It's a nice little metal bead, and I love to mix metal beads in, especially when I'm stringing or making drop earrings or something. I can use them as accents, and they really bring your piece to another level when you have some metal type of elements in it. So I really like having the metal spacer beads. And this is a hematite color. I've always had some silver, but silver and like platinum color or like the stainless steel color, but I never had any other colors. So getting this in the hematite, and then here's some in a copper, like an antique copper color, I really like that. A gold color, a bright sterling silver color, and of course your platinum or your stainless steel color. I really like that too. They're all really pretty. And most findings are this color, so I really like having this color of spacer bead to use in my earrings and such, because it matches your ear wires, it matches any other of your components like chandelier components or whatever you might be using. This color is really nice to have. It makes everything just blend really nicely. So anyway, that's those, and those are I don't think they're 4mm. Maybe they are 4mm spacer beads. I will check and make sure, and I actually think they're 3mm spacer beads is what they are. Pretty sure about that. But I will write in the description box everything, and that way you can figure out exactly what they are, and if you want some, you can get some. And these are really nice. I'm really going to use the heck out of these. The next thing that I decided I wanted some of was some cabochons, because I just think that it would be nice to make some little pendants or something, some wire wrapping or something on my beginner's channel, or maybe even my Gina's Gems channel. It just depends on how I end up making them. I might bead embroider them or something. But this is a package, and again, it's packaged really nicely. I can put them back in here and find them just nicely organized together, and add some of my other cabochons to it if I want. So this is a set of 15 mixed gemstone cabochons. Ooh, right away, they're really pretty. Really pretty. Oops, I missed one. Okay, so what I have here is a tiger's eye. And this is snowflake obsidian. That's really pretty. I like snowflake obsidian. This is picture jasper. Really pretty. This is goldstone in the blue color and in the gold color. I love the way blue goldstone looks like a midnight night. I really like the starry night. So those are both really pretty. This one is just, if you could see it, whoops, my light's probably reflecting off of it too much. But look at how that just looks like a really starry night. So pretty. Really like that. And then this is either ruby zoisite or fuchsite, and I think it's fuchsite. Ruby zoisite is a little bit different looking than this, but I think this is a fuchsite. And this is really pretty. Or it could even be a moss agate, but I don't think so. I'm pretty sure it's a fuchsite, because it's got the fuchsia color through it, and it's got the matrix and the green, and that's just a really nice little gemstone. Pretty. And then here's a cherry quartz. That's nice and pretty. I love how cherry quartz is really translucent, except for these splashes of very pretty pinkish orange color. It's just really pretty. It kind of looks like a rose leaf or something. I really like cherry quartz. That's really pretty. Quartz of any kind. I like quartz of any kind. And this is unakite. That's a really pretty piece of unakite. I like that. I believe this is quartz, I'm sure. I don't know if it's supposed to be a rose quartz. I don't think so. I think it's clear. Get it off my pink background here. I think it's a clear quartz. It's kind of crackly inside. That's really a pretty one too. This is probably agate, this one, as well as this one. I think those are agate. And then malachite. That's a pretty piece of malachite. Sodalite. That's really pretty too. And this is probably howlite. I don't think it's actual turquoise. It's probably howlite, which is just a dyed stone to look like turquoise. But it's still very pretty. And then this one is, I'm sure this is also agate. It's probably supposed to be that orangey, crazy type looking agate, but it's kind of opaque-ish inside. Not as pretty as some of the others I've seen. I think it's supposed to look more like, let me see if, I'm pretty sure that this is what it's supposed to be. Well, it is. That's what it is. It just doesn't have as pretty of lines in it as some of the others, but I'm pretty sure that's agate. And that's a really nice little collection of teardrop, or I think they're calling it water drop. And they are, I'm not sure how big they are. I will also put that in the description, that they're just the right size to make a little pendant or earrings, or we could use some bead embroidery around one of these, something like that. I will figure out something to do and get that up really soon, because I would like to play with these. These are really pretty. I really enjoy gemstones, and I haven't done a lot of them lately, so I want to do some more. And generally I make stuff to sell or for my family with gemstones. I don't always put them on my channels, but I'm going to definitely do something with these. I think these are really pretty. If you want some of these, I will post the link in the bottom, and they won't be exactly like mine. Of course, gemstones are unique. They're one of a kind, but you will get 15 of them, and this is the basic assortment you'll get. And I think they're very nice quality, and I really like them. Okay, then I got some big hole gemstone beads, because I thought that these would be really nice to use with 12 gauge wire when I was making my bangles. I really wanted some beads that were bigger that would go on to the 12 gauge wire. There's 4 of that color. Don't really like that color. I don't really like that color at all. So of course I got 4 of them. But anyway, look at how pretty these are. There's turquoise, there is sodalite, tiger's eye. There's another crazy agate, the orange pretty. This one's pretty. And then there's some of the cherry quartz. There's some really pretty. This is moss agate. That's really pretty. And this one may be dragon's blood agate. Not agate, but jasper. So there's some really, that's picture jasper. There's some really pretty ones in here. We'll just put those aside. There we go. Guard them. Anyway, if you like these and you would like to use them maybe in the bangle on my beginner's channel, or you just like white hole beads, and I will be doing something with these. I'll make a tutorial out of these also. I think that this is a really good buy and a nice mix. Okay, but you will never see those 4 because I don't like them. Anyway, now after that, I got some big lobster claw clasps. It was in this bag. I just took it out beforehand so I didn't have to struggle with it. And there's 10 of these zirconia lobster claw clasps. And I really like them because they're oversized. They're a really pretty way to end a bracelet. And a lot of my people that buy or wear my jewelry, like my mother and some particular people at work and some of the older ladies I sell to, they do not like little tiny clasps. They don't like fumbling with them. They don't like messing with them. So many times if I make something, they will ask me if I can change the clasp. So I decided to get some of these bigger clasps. I think they're really pretty, and they're nice and big, and they should be really easy to handle. So this is a 10-piece. I think they're zirconia, or they're cubic zirconia, or they're just rhinestone clasps. And again, I will post a link for those if you like those also. And I will make a bracelet and put those on there so you can see what they look like. But this is what I got from my little tiny haul. And I really like it all. I think it's all really nice quality. I could do without those fur beads. Haha, just kidding. Anyway, they're all really nice. So, let me back off. Let's just see what these look like. And here's a sneak peek of the pieces that I have made with these beads. And I will be posting a tutorial showing you how to make each piece. We will learn how to wrap the cabochons, and then I'll show you ideas on how I decided to go ahead and use my cabochons. So that will be coming up in the next tutorial. And so I suggest going to Beebeecraft and seeing if you can find some little assortments, nicely packaged things like this that you can have on hand. That's what I like about these quantities, is you can have these on hand and use them several times. And they come so nicely packaged that you can store them very easily, and it just makes life a lot easier. I really like these. And like I said, I had gotten rondelles and things like that earlier, so I was specifically looking for packages like this and this, just because I really like that element to it. I mean, I like the beads, of course, but when you can have them in nice packages like this instead of a jillion little bags, this just gives me more incentive. I really like them. But anyway, this is from Beebeecraft.com, and stay tuned and I will do a tutorial or two for you.